Struggling with picky eaters? Stop waiting for everyone to agree. Here's the truth that finally made meal prep easy for my family, and it can for yours too. Hi friend, I'm Coach Tiffany, a Christian health coach helping women like you fuel your body, honor your health, and grow stronger in your walk with God. And today, we're going to talk about one of the biggest struggles I hear from women: what to do when your family won't eat the healthy meals you're trying to prepare. I've seen this come up again and again in the women I've worked with, and I've lived it too. Maybe you can relate. You're ready to make changes, but your family isn't on board. And instead of just making the meals you know will help you, you find yourself slipping back into people pleasing. You don't want to rock the boat or create conflict at the dinner table, so you go along with whatever everyone else wants. I've been there. For me, it felt like this deep feeling that this just isn't fair. I'm trying to do the right thing for my health, but I feel like I'm carrying this burden alone. While I was working so hard to make healthier choices, everyone else around me ate whatever they wanted. It led to conflict, frustration, and honestly, I let their choices influence mine. It just felt easier to surrender and go along with them. But the truth is, that meant my health was suffering. And I've seen that same struggle in women I coach. We wait for permission or for everyone else to get on board, but that keeps us stuck in a passive role. When in reality, we have so much more power over our choices than we realize. What finally changed things for me was realizing I can't control what my husband or others eat, but I can control what I put on my plate. And when I stopped trying to force him and instead focused on being consistent with my own choices and doing it with love and respect, he started noticing. He saw a difference in my energy, my mood, and my willingness to honor his choices while still honoring my own. And little by little, he got curious and started to join in. That's when I realized waiting for my family's permission wasn't gonna work. My health is ultimately my responsibility, and yours is too. And the good news is you already have the power to start making changes, even if no one else is ready yet. That's the bigger truth here. We can lovingly set the tone in our homes without forcing it. And often, our consistency in our prayers do more for our family than our nagging ever could. So here's the myth I want to bust today: I can't meal prep because my family won't eat healthy. That's simply not true. You can absolutely meal prep even if your family isn't on board yet. So let's get practical. How do we actually meal prep when picky eaters are in the mix? Here are 5 simple strategies that can take the stress out of meal prep when picky eaters are at the table. Number 1, build family favorites with simple swaps. If spaghetti night is a family favorite, try whole wheat pasta or zucchini noodles for yourself. If quesadillas are on the menu, swap out sour cream for Greek yogurt on your plate. Small changes do add up. Tip number 2, focus on portions. Even if your family insists on having certain foods, you can control how much goes on your plate. Adding extra veggies or a salad along with the main meal can make a huge difference. Number 3, deconstruct meals. Instead of making one dish everyone has to agree on, try planning meals like taco bars, baked potato bars, or grain bowls. Each person can then build their plate the way they like it, but you still have control over your choices. Number 4, hide the goodness. Smoothies, sauces, soups, or baked goods are great places to sneak in extra fruits and veggies without anyone noticing. And last but not least, number 5, prep staples for yourself. Keep cooked proteins, washed veggies, or prepped salads on hand. That way, if dinner ends up being less than healthy, you can still add something nourishing to your plate without cooking a whole separate meal. These strategies allow you to prep in a way that honors your health without creating division or extra burdens in your home. I know picky eaters can be a challenge, but I'd love to hear some hope-filled ideas from you. What's one strategy that's worked for you to make healthy eating more doable in your home? Share it in the comments below, and let's lift each other up in hope and health today. And if you're ready for more step-by-step help with meal prepping, even if your family isn't fully on board yet, I'd love to gift you my totally free meal prep video series, Fuel Your Body, Honor Your Health. In this series, I'll show you exactly how to simplify meal prep, save time in the kitchen, and create nourishing meals your family will actually enjoy. You can grab your free copy through the link in the description below or by visiting redflowerhealth.com/freebie. Friend, Remember, you don't need everyone else to agree before you take steps toward better health. Start with your own plate and trust that God can use your example to bless your family too. As homemakers, wives, or moms, we set the tone for our homes more than we realize. If this video encouraged you, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss the final video in this series. Believing in your best health, Coach Tiffany.